Okay, what I want to do here is to go over some ASCII um, uh, coding in Chipmunk Basic. As I get started here, I'm going to play a little music for myself because if you think it's boring listening to these, it's even more boring doing them. So let me start up a little music here in iTunes. Okay, Chipmunk Basic, and I'm going to do a little bit of character manipulation. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to a little bit, just a very basic amount of character manipulation. Okay, now I'm going to write my Chipmunk Basic program right here as uh, as you see it. So you'll see all my typographical errors and everything else happen right here. Okay, first line, 10. I'm going to 10, uh, 10, there we go, 10, input a star, or I'm sorry, a dollar sign. Any variable that ends with a dollar sign is automatically a character, a string of some sort. And then I'll input, and then I'll say print 20, print a dollar sign. So, okay, this is about as basic as you can get. Inputting a character string and then printing it, and then I'll type return and then run. So it hits me with a question mark. It's asking for the character string. So I'll write something that is self-evident. I am awesome. Okay, there, and then it prints. I am awesome. So the computer thinks it's awesome. Um, okay, now we have that. Notice that the character string can have spaces in it. Okay, so if we actually were going to count the number of characters in the string, there's 1, the space is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 characters in that string. Okay, now I'm going to put in a second, I'm going to input a second character string, and I'll call that line 15, and I'm going to say input B dollar. There. Now I can always get a listing of the program by typing list. So there's my program. And I can always renumber the lines by doing, I think this is it, okay? Renumber. Now let's do list again and see what we have. See, it renumbered them from 10, 15, 20 to 10, 20, 30. Sometimes you need to do that if you want to put in a basic programming statement, but there are no line numbers left between two adjacent numbers, then you have to renumber the program. Okay, so I'm going to input A star, input B star. I'm still printing A star. Now let me put in line 40, and I'll say print B. I keep saying B star, it's B dollar. There. So let me list that. Okay, there we are. Run. Run. And as for my first one, uh, let's put in running fast. Okay, so there. It input the two variables, the two character string variables, and printed them out. Now, let me show you how we can concatenate, that is, stick together two character strings. And so let me put in another statement. I'll put in statement 50, and statement 50 is do A star plus B dollar. Okay, okay, there are 50 list. Okay, so I have that. Now I didn't, but I didn't set this equal to anything, so I have to retype that. Okay, made a dumb mistake. A dollar or C dollar equals A dollar plus B dollar. There we go. So C dollar equals A dollar. Darn! I got a plus sign there. I want an equal sign there. I have to retype it again. 50. C dollar equals A dollar plus B dollar. Okay, B dollar. Dollar. There we go. Now let's list it and see what we have. Okay, now I want to put in 60, print C dollar. Now type run. Okay, it asks for A dollar. Let's say eat food. Okay, and it puts food, sticks it right on the end of eat, putting food first because food, putting eat first because eat was A dollar, so it puts this first, then it puts B dollar second, sticks them right one after the other to output C dollar. Okay, now just one other thing I want you to notice here. I'm going to type run again, and my first one, I'm going to type in eat, but I'm going to type in a space. And now it asks for the second one. I type in food, and now notice that the space is in there. Why? Because the space is in fact a legitimate character on in an ASCII character in computer languages. Okay, now let's see if there's one more thing I might want to do here. Okay, I am going to look at this command. Okay, and the command I'm going to look at is the mid command. Okay, now here's what I'm going to do. Let's type statement 60, and I'm going to set S dollar equal to mid, M-I-D. Let me move this mid. Okay, now mid is a computer command, but it's an ASCII command, so it's mid dollar, parentheses, C dollar, comma, 3, comma, 1. Okay, and I'll explain what this is in a minute. What it's going to do here, what this command will do, is it will put in the variable S dollar. It will look at the string C dollar. Okay, it will go to the third character in C dollar and print that out. So it'll print only, this says it's only going to print out one character. So it prints out the third character in C dollar. Let's look at our computer program the way we have it right here. Okay, input A dollar, input C dollar, print A dollar, print B dollar, C dollar equals that. Now I forgot to I deleted the print C dollar command. So let me put that in as 55, statement 55, print C dollar. Okay, now let me type run. Okay, I'm going to put eat, and I'm not going to put a space in there. Okay, now type in food. Let me move that, food. So eat food. Okay. So it's doing that. Now what I want to do is put in a statement to print out the S dollar variable, whatever's an S dollar. And I'll make that statement 70. I'll type print S dollar. Now type run again. Okay, eat, no space, food. Okay, now notice what it's doing here. Here's the string C dollar. It's going to the third character. That's what the 3 does. And it's printing out one letter. Okay, T. It's just printing out the third character. If I change that statement to C32, it would now print out 2 characters. Let me show you how that works. I'll say S star or S dollar equals mid dollar C dollar 3, comma 2 parentheses. and let's see, I forgot to put a statement number there, so I'm going to have to do it again. Let me do a list so I can see what I have. Okay, statement 60. 60. S dollar equals mid dollar C dollar comma 3 comma 2 close parentheses run eat food. Okay, now you see it's printing out two characters. It goes to the third character in the string, that's T, and then it prints out two characters. So it prints out T and then F. So it's printing out two characters here. So I think you might get some idea how this mid command works in Chipmunk Basic. Okay, until next time.